Good morning, students. Today we will study what is optical activity, what are enantiomers, what are diastereomers, and its examples. What is optical activity? Compounds which rotate the plane polarized light are called optical isomers, and the property is called optical activity. What is plane polarized light? Light whose vibrations occur only in one plane is called plane polarized light or PPL. Dextrorotatory. If the compound rotates the plane polarized light to the right, that is clockwise, it is said to be dextrorotatory. It is denoted by D or plus sign. Then levorotatory. If the compound rotates the plane polarized light to left anti-clockwise, it is said to be levorotatory. It is denoted by L or minus. The instrument used to measure the angle of plane of polarization is called polarimeter. So what is optical activity? Compounds which rotate the plane polarized light are called optical isomers, and the property is called optical activity. So these are dextrorotatory compounds and levorotatory. If it is rotating to right, then it is, if it is rotating to left, then it is levorotatory. Then what are enantiomers? The two substances which are stereoisomers, means they are stereoisomers and are mirror images of each other are called enantiomers. So two substances which are stereoisomers. So if there are two stereoisomers, example is D lactic acid and L lactic acid. They are enantiomers. They are stereoisomers and they are also mirror images of each other. You are seeing mirror images. OH, OH, this is a mirror. See, we are seeing they are both are mirror images of each other. So C, COH, COH, OH, OH, HH, CH. So these are the enantiomers. These are the mirror images of each other, and they are also stereoisomers. They are D lactic acid, L lactic acid. They are non-superimposable mirror image of each other. Diastereomers. Two substances which are stereoisomers but are not mirror images of each other are called diastereomers. What are diastereomers? Which are both are stereoisomers but they are not mirror images of each other are called as diastereomers. You are seeing in this example they are not mirror images of each other. OH is to the right, OH is to the left, and here it is to the left. So here they are not mirror images of each other. They are known as diastereomers. They are stereoisomers but they are not mirror images of each other are known as diastereomers. Now what is chirality or asymmetric carbon atom? The carbon atom with the 4 valencies joined to different groups, each termed as asymmetric carbon atom, and the property is called chirality. So this carbon is there, the 4 valencies is bounded by different groups. One is COH, another is CH3, another is H, and another is OH. So these 4 groups are different, and so this carbon is known as asymmetric carbon atom, and the property is known as chirality. What is this chirality? If the carbon is surrounded by 4 different groups, and that property is known as chirality, and that carbon is known as asymmetric carbon atom. What is asymmetric carbon atom? Then optical isomerism of lactic acid. Lactic acid has the formula CH3CH OH and has a one asymmetric carbon atom. Having one asymmetric carbon atom, it exists in 3 forms: D form, L form, and Dl form. It is an optically active compound in which the D form is dextrorotatory and rotate the plane polarized light, that is PPL, to the right direction or clockwise. The L form rotate the PPL to the left, and the Dl form, which is the racemic mixture, is optically inactive. So what is optical in optical isomerism? We should say that its form. What is its formula? It is having asymmetric carbon atom. It has dextrorotatory, which rotates the plane polarized light PPL to right. It is having levorotatory, which rotates the plane polarized to the left, and mixture of D and L form, that is known as DL or racemic mixture. What is racemic mixture? D and L form, they are in equimolar proportion. In this is known as DL form. So it is existing in DL form, dextrorotatory form, and also levorotatory form. Then optical isomerism of tartaric acid. The molecular formula of tartaric acid. So we are seeing 2 asymmetric carbon are there, 2 COH, COH, OH, OH, 2,3-dihydroxy succinic acid. So the molecular formula of tartaric acid. Tartaric acid has 2 asymmetric carbon atom, hence it exhibits 4 isomeric forms, out of which 2 forms are optically active while the 2 other are optically inactive. Out of 2 optically active forms, one which rotates the PPL to the right is called dextrorotatory tartaric, and the other form which rotates the PPL to the left are known as minus tartaric acid, whereas the form DL and 4 on rotation through 180 degrees become identical and have a plane of symmetry, are optically inactive, called as mesotartaric acid. So 1 form, 2 form, 3 and form. This form is known as mesoform, this is D form, this is L form and this is DL form. It is DL form of tartaric. When D form and L form of tartaric acid are mixed in equimolar proportion is called as racemic mixture of tartaric acid, which is optically inactive, denoted by DL or plus minus. Here plus and minus both signs are there, tartaric acid. So mesoform means it is a mixture of D and L form. Here you are seeing D form and L form, both are mixtures. Thank you.